Hi everyone. Still under investment appraisal techniques. And this is discounted cash flow. In the last video I said you're going to practicalize a particular question in order to do what? To use this method to solve questions on investment appraisal. So today we are going to consider this question. I'm going to look at this question to do what? To solve for net present value and profitability index. Okay, so the question goes thus. Motivation Limited is considering investing in either of two projects, A and B. Each project costs 400,000 naira. The company uses a cost of capital of 15%. The cash inflows from the two projects are as follows. Years what? Year 1 to 7. We have project A and project B. These are the inflows for each of the projects. So the company tax rate is 50%. You are required to evaluate the project using the net present value method and profitability index to decide which project to select. Okay, in a question like this, the first thing for you to do is just to do what? Go straight to the requirement of the question, which is what? You are required to do what? To calculate, to evaluate the projects. We are first of all going to evaluate the projects using the net present value method and profitability index to decide which project to select. So it is after the appraisal that we are now going to do what? Base your decision using the decision rules which I've given in the last video when I was talking about profitability index. So I gave some certain decision rules. Now we are having two projects. So after consideration of the two projects, we are going to have what? NPV for the two projects and profitability index for the two projects. So after that, we now compare and contrast. Now look at the project that gave us what? The highest NPV and the one that gave us the highest. Definitely, the one that gave us the highest, that's going to give us the highest NPV, will definitely give us what? The highest one. The higher, I think it's two project anyway. The project that give us the higher NPV will definitely give us what? The higher profitability index. So let's go and look at the question. So let's evaluate. We are going to. So let's do our solution here. Okay. So projects. Okay. When you are solving a question, the first thing you're going to do is to do what? Give it a title. The title of what? Of the topic is of the question is what? To motivation. I mean the name of the company should come first. So motivation limited. So the next thing to follow is what? The requirements. We have to do what? To compute net present value and profitability index. Computation. So the next thing is what? Computation of net present value and profitability index, PI. Okay, let's write it in full. Under examination, you don't abbreviate. You should everything in full. So computation of net present value and profitability. Okay. All right. Having done this, we now go into the computation proper. So we have year. We have name your year.